Welcome to the JMT.
People are great to now, and I welcome you once again to this our news channel. Make una do what always follow us, like, share, and subscribe. As now here we bring all the latest updates. They come your way. Political we did there, entertainment we did there, all rounder now we do for this hour news channel. On today's news, the Minister of FCT, Minister Wike, don't come outside to talk about this insecurity issue. So when they happen for Abuja, you don't talk say not be only the residents so they that insecurity position. So even the president of the country, they fight insecurity. He can't talk many things. So he can't say even politicians not even they make it easy for them, because now even that then they cause themselves, they put more fear for people. But then he talk plenty things where me no go fit even talk finish. I go like make una hear am with una ear. Make una watch this video reach the end. Make una hear with in talk.
Mind you too, some of these things are political.
This one.
Let me tell you. Let me tell you. The so-called alarm. You don't know. Let me tell you. Some politicians are bent on making sure the government does not survive. And how do you do it? By creating unnecessary tension, by carrying propaganda that something just happened there. They tell you it has happened 25 times. You must understand how our system works. There are those who are blackmailers who are paid. They are paid. Tell me, how am I going home on a Friday? Do you understand what I'm saying? How does it affect you not taking security serious?
They say you're distracted, and that's
what distracted what?
By reverse politics.
What is the politics? So the only time the kidnapping is when I'm not around on Saturday. So they don't kidnap Monday to Friday when I'm around. So these are the things we tell you. So you now see that is political. That is propaganda. That is blackmail. When we came here, people said everything in Abuja has collapsed. The refuse are taking over the place. No street lights. No road. Right? People are saying so. How many of you have even come out to commend us that in these 5 months you have been in office, we are seeing changes? All you do is pick one that has not been solved or that appears to be the problem then. You forget the ones that government have put effort and which are yielded results. It has not got it to. Even when there was insurgents in Northeast and this, such people had anybody canvas for people that carry taking up arms to defend themselves. That there's 1 or 2 kidnaps. I've told you, you cannot stop total crime. Let one person tell me, as a professional, as an expert, that there's anywhere in this world where there's zero crime. Tell me where. Even in where you are caught, they amputate your leg, or you go to prison immediately, there's still crime. So it is difficult for people to say, because kidnapping has happened last night, or 1 or 2 places, therefore there's insecurity in the whole of FCT. That is not correct. You've talked about CCTV. When we're discussing about CCTV in Abuja, and we look at it, the chief of army staff, we were all talking. You know what somebody said? Go and put the cameras. Our people will go and vandalize it. Go and put the cameras now on the road. People will go in the night and vandalize it. Our own people, you are providing security. We are telling you of solar light. Solar light. Go and put solar lights now. In the midnight, 2 a.m., people will go and vandalize it. Look at the roads that are being constructed. for you to have a good road, see how people will go and remove the manhole. Now you ask yourself, what security will you put in place? How many security personnel do we have? To now say, you all mount on the road to check those who are coming for the stealing of this mango. You know, it's okay. Let us even put in some vigilantes. We are sure that some of the vigilantes are not those who are carrying out such actions. So, all we have said is that you said about the estate. Our hotel, look, we can't carry everything in this. Even when you say the law, you have to go to National Assembly. And you know the process of making laws. You know the process.
My people, open I don't watch the video, and I don't hear waiting this minister talk. Waiting I think concerning this matter, this insecurity for this state. Now we they call some Abi which way? Make una drop una comment for comment section. I would like to know una opinion. Until we meet again for another news, make una do well to stay safe. Una do. DJ